EA1920 IP-free indoor poster LED display screen is a high-performance display device designed for various scenarios such as advertising, information dissemination, and product display. It has a simple structure and easy operation. The thickness of the LED display screen in the ultra-thin cabinet is only 60 mm, and its lightweight design makes it more flexible and easy to install and move. At the same time, the weight is only 40 kilograms, ensuring the portability of the device. EA1920 IP-free indoor poster LED display screen supports full frontal maintenance design, which greatly facilitates the daily maintenance and management of the equipment. To further enhance the convenience of use, the base of EA1920 IP-free is equipped with 4 flexible wheels. These wheels enable the entire poster LED screen to easily rotate and move freely in all directions, meeting diverse display needs whether in exhibitions, retail stores, or corporate displays. EA1920 IP-free series poster screen supports multi-screen splicing function, which means users can seamlessly connect multiple screens together to form a larger display area. Whether used for displaying high-definition advertising content or as a background wall for events, the EA1920 IP-free can provide excellent visual effects. EA1920 IP-free is equipped with an advanced intelligent cloud management system, allowing users to update and play screen content in real time through terminal devices such as iPad, mobile phone, PC, and laptop. This display screen supports USB and Wi-Fi connections, enabling cross-platform content publishing and compatibility with iOS and Android devices, ensuring the convenience and flexibility of content management. Overall, the EA1920 IP-free indoor poster LED display provides users with a powerful, easy-to-use, and visually stunning display solution thanks to its borderless design, ultra-thin cabinet, full frontal maintenance, flexible base, and intelligent cloud management system. Whether used for advertising display, product promotion, or information dissemination, the EA1920 IP-free can perform tasks excellently and is your ideal choice. We use an HDMI cable to connect the first poster screen data outlet HDMI out, and another connector to the second poster screen HDMI in. Then I use another HDMI cable to connect the second poster screen HDMI out, and the other end to the third poster screen HDMI in, so that we have completed the connection. First, we use the mobile phone to connect the Wi-Fi of the first poster screen, and then we go back to the home page to open our screen control app. We click the plus icon in the upper right corner, and then we find the option with the same Wi-Fi name, click Add, and then set it according to the height and width of the screen. After the setting is completed, you can click OK to enter the next step. Click the blue plus icon, then click the video, and select the material you need to play. Then click the send icon.